What's going on, guys? Adam here again from AtoZbodyfitness, and today I'm going to go over a short video with you on how to actually perform a push-up and get better results for doing it. All right, so when doing a push-up, you want to line your wrists underneath your shoulders, keep your back flat, and then bend your knees like I'm doing in the video and go forward and down with a slight arc and press through the palms and the fingertips. Now, the reason why you do this is because if you look at anybody who bench presses, you're mimicking the way you're supposed to actually be benching. If you see anybody who knows how to bench, you start off roughly at the bottom of your chest, you push up and slightly arc upwards, and you will end up at the top of your chest. What's going on, guys? I just wanted to take a quick break from the video and say thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and showing support. It really honestly is appreciated. And also, if you're somebody who's been struggling with weight loss or to put on muscle or to learn even how to exercise properly, then you can actually head over to my website. I have a membership area there that you can join. It's made for people that need a direction in order to get to the goals that they want, but don't know what direction to take. It's got a host of how-to videos, mindset videos, nutritional videos, and educational videos, and is set up for your success. If you're interested and you want to be able to get on this, then you can drop a comment in the link below, or you can click a link in the description and we can take it from there. And you're doing the same thing here when you're doing a push-up, except obviously your angle is different and you're pushing from the floor. Now, you're going to be doing the same things, but keeping your knees bent. And the reason why you do that is because it actually makes it harder and it puts more pressure on the core and the abdominals and makes it more challenging for you. While you keep pressing from the palms and the fingertips to help activate the chest more, and you slightly go forward and down to really hit the entire chest from top to bottom so that you can make sure that you're getting the best form possible. Another key thing here to do is imagine that you're trying to break through the floor when you do a push-up or a bench press, okay? Especially when you're doing a push-up because you're doing it on the floor. Imagine you're trying to press through the floor as you're doing it, because what that's going to do is that's really going to help you get better mind to muscle connection, and it's going to allow you to be able to perform the push-up even better. So again, just remember key things: push through the floor, always press through the fingertips, and always press through the palms. Create a little bit of an arc when you're doing the push-up, bend the knees, keep the back flat, and just concentrate and perform the exercise as best as possible and get good mind to muscle connection. All right, guys, if you liked the video, click like, subscribe, comment, share. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.